guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Presley. I make all sorts of style videos, specifically revolving around thrifted and secondhand fashion. I am so excited to get into today's video because I'm going to be talking all about statement pieces. Now, if you're unsure what I mean by statement piece, I basically mean any article of clothing that has a very unique and out there element of style, whether it's a unique silhouette that features shoulder pads or flowy sleeves, such as this one, fun, funky patterns, bold colors, any element of design that makes the piece really stand out. And I like to describe these pieces as personality pieces. Now, I was inspired to do this video because of some of my recent thrift finds. In some of my more recent hauls, I was really lucky to find some very unique and eclectic pieces that I have been having so much fun styling with. I feel like I've come to a place in my personal style where I'm really finding the confidence to wear more fun and funky pieces and just have so much fun getting dressed every day. This channel is all about embracing your own unique personal style and having the confidence to wear whatever the heck you want. So if you've been looking on how to style a more funky, eclectic piece, or if you're just looking to push your own style boundaries, then this video is for you. So the first thing that we need to talk about is selecting the right type of statement or personality piece for your personal style. A statement piece could be literally any article of clothing. So if you're new to styling more bold items, or if you're just looking to expand your style just a bit, I suggest starting with shoes and accessories. One of the easiest ways to spice up your outfit is selecting a fun pair of shoes. They could be colorful, they could feature a funky, loud pattern, or even an interesting silhouette like a platform. Adding shoes is a really safe way to experiment with more bold and funky styling because they're not gonna be too loud on your body. You could really wear more of a simple outfit and then spice it up just by your shoes, or even accessories if you want to experiment with maybe some bigger earrings, some colorful earrings, any colorful or chunky jewelry. It's really up to your preference. Another piece that I think is really easy to experiment with is outerwear. Now, you could go so many ways with this. Like I said, personality pieces are really up to whatever you're drawn to. I personally am really drawn to interesting and dynamic patterns, and I like to reach for outerwear that features things like that. So I really like to style more funky blazers and jackets, and what makes these such a great start to expanding your style is that you can remove them if you want to. You're not stuck with it on your body all day like a shirt or a pair of pants. Since it is your outermost layer, you can just remove it whenever you want to. So if you're starting to stretch your style and you're a little bit intimidated by more bold pieces, I definitely suggest starting with outerwear because you can wear it as long as you want. It's kind of a conversation starter, but then if you're feeling a little bit self-conscious, it's just very easy to remove. Another great rule of thumb when you're starting to look at incorporating statement pieces into your wardrobe is to start with what you're already familiar with. So if you're a lover of jeans and that's pretty much your go-to uniform, maybe experiment with jeans that have more of fun details such as embroidery or patchwork. That's a really easy transition to start with something you're already comfortable wearing. Another example is if you're a t-shirt lover, you could easily find t-shirts that feature funky patterns or colors. So once you figure out what pieces you want to experiment with and incorporate into your style, it's time to actually start styling and making outfits with them. So along the way of my style journey, I've found a few formulas to styling more bold and funky pieces, especially when they incorporate pattern. So the easiest way to style up these personality pieces is to stick with basics. So let's take this fun pair of jeans, for example, these rainbow bell bottoms. So with these pants, the easiest thing to pair with them is just a white t-shirt, the simplest basic that you can own. When in doubt, go with a white t-shirt. They go great with funky pants. They go great with patterned outerwear. But let's talk about my second favorite way to style these. So if I don't feel like going for a simple white t-shirt, I will reach for what I call an elevated basic. Elevated basics are kind of basic, but they have a little bit of spice added to them. So instead of a white t-shirt, I might reach for this eyelet detailed white top. It's still just a white top, but it has that texture to kind of step it up a little bit, and it adds an extra element to the whole outfit. Now, if you're feeling really confident with your style and you want to push it a bit more, you can definitely pair your statement piece with another statement piece. You can go crazy with different patterns and colors. There are no rules when it comes to styling. It is totally up to you. Now, to wrap up these tips, I want to talk about style confidence. Kind of just some quick tips to help you feel more confident in whatever you want to wear. And the first thing I have to say about this is very practical, and that is be sure you are comfortable in what you're wearing. And I mean literally comfortable. When it comes to styling statement pieces, since they do have such unique elements, you have to make sure that they fit you comfortably and they are actually comfortable on your body. So if you're reaching for something that has more of a unique silhouette, such as shoulder pads, you have to make sure that you are comfortable wearing shoulder pads. Or if you're gonna wear something with a flowy sleeve, you have to make sure it's not gonna bug you all day, because if you are feeling the need to fidget with whatever you're wearing, if you're worried about a wardrobe malfunction, or if something's itching you, there is no way that you're going to be confident in that piece. So be sure you are literally comfortable, because that's the first step to being mentally comfortable and confident in what you wear. The next thing that I want to say about style confidence is be sure you're dressing for you. You're dressing to enhance your personality and your vibe. Because if you're dressing to look like somebody else, you're just never going to be satisfied, because you're not going to look the same as somebody else does in any specific piece of clothing. You have to make sure that it makes you happy, that you like the way that it looks on your body. And to wrap this up, I just want to say, if you want to wear something, wear it. Life's too serious to not have fun with your clothing. There's so much in the world that you can't control, but one thing that you can control is your outfit, and that should be very comforting and exciting. That is a wrap on today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope that I was able to help you out and inspire you to push your style boundaries. If you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up, and if you wanted to stick around and subscribe for future videos, I would be so happy to have you. I look forward to chatting with you guys in the comments down below. I would love to hear about your style journey, style struggles, things that inspire you, and if you have any style tips of your own, I'm sure the rest of us would love to hear. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!